Hi students and families. I miss you all still. I hope you're doing well, keeping healthy, getting outside when it's been nice. I'm going to read a book today, and it's called The Little Raindrop. I'm going to go over some materials that I have here. I put everything in a box, and you can fill a box. You can find most of these things outside your house or hopefully inside your house too. So we have a little bowl of water, a sponge so that we can hear raindrops and feel raindrops. We have grass, which hopefully you should be able to find outside by now. It's been raining a lot. We have leaves, different leaves here. We have a rock, a pretty big rock. And then we also, I found outside some little pebbles. Some little pebbles here. And if you can't find these outside, that's okay. You can always use marbles or anything that's tiny and smooth. We also have a bunny, or anything that's soft can be used. We have some sand and some feathers. Okay, let's get started. And also, you can allow your student to play and explore these materials before you read the book, and you can talk to them about the different materials. Like the rock is heavy and it's rough, and the pebbles are tiny and smooth, and the bunny is soft. You can talk about all the different attributes to all these things. Talk about the water feeling wet and cold, or if it's warm, and just talk to them about all these different things. And then you can have them feel each one of the different materials as we reach them in the book, and I can bring them out and show them to you when we get there. And I also forgot, I have to grab some paper, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I almost forgot we need paper as well, or it can be paper or fabric, but if you can try to find every color of the rainbow, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So like I said, if you can't find paper, it's fine to just use fabric, clothing, feathers, like anything where you can find every color of the rainbow. Okay, so those are all our materials, and I'll make sure that I take a picture of all of them and send them to you guys with this video so that you don't have to pause the video and like check things off a list. I'll just send it in a list in the email, okay? So now we're gonna read our story. The Little Raindrop. I chose this story because I know we're doing a rainforest theme this month, but also because it's been raining a lot over the past month, hasn't it? And sometimes that makes things harder, especially with what we're going through right now. But I think it's really important to remember that after rain, after a rainstorm, it's very often that we will find a rainbow, and some good things and positive things will hopefully come out of it, even though it might not feel like it right now, especially with all this rain. But hopefully by the time you are viewing this video, it will be sunny and warm. That's just what I'm hoping. Okay. The Little Raindrop. The Little Raindrop. One dark and stormy day, a little raindrop fell out of a cloud and flew faster and faster through the sky. A gust of wind blew Little Raindrop sideways, and in a dazzling flash of red, orange, and yellow, he found himself inside a rainbow. Enjoying the beautiful colors, Little Raindrop fell through green, blue, indigo, and violet. Before another gust of wind blew him out of the rainbow. Splash! Little Raindrop landed in a shallow puddle on top of a large rock. Splish, splash, splosh. Lots of other raindrops fell all around him until the puddle was overflowing. Little Raindrop ran down the side of a rock and joined a stream. In the stream, Little Raindrop drifted through woods and bounced over pebbles. He played with the small shimmering fish and watched them dart around as deer and rabbits came to drink at the water's edge. Sometimes laughing children would race sticks in the water, and Little Raindrop would chase them under bridges, dodging swirling grass and fluttering leaves. After a while, the stream joined a river, and Little Raindrop floated along in the strong current. At times, the river was calm and peaceful, and Little Raindrop watched diving kingfishers. and larger fish as they swam slowly by. At other times, the river was noisy and rough. Little Raindrop raced along rapids and dived down waterfalls, carefully avoiding the jagged rocks at the bottom of the falls. Eventually, the river reached the sea, and Little Raindrop was pulled far away from the shore. He met friendly dolphins who played and danced in the sunlight, and he listened as they whistled and clicked their greetings to each other. One day, the tide pulled Little Raindrop back to the beach. He surfed the waves and crashed onto the shore until finally he came to rest on the soft sand. The sun shone down on the sand, and Little Raindrop got hotter and hotter until the warmth of the sun drew him up into the air. It was cooler in the sky, and Little Raindrop joined a cloud that was already full of other raindrops. Little Raindrop was ready to fall to earth and to begin his journey once more. The end.